This is a 2019 GMC Yukon XL with the SLT package on it. It's got the 18-inch rims, some Michelin tires on it, proximity entry on all 4 doors, and push button start. It's got the reverse parking sensors, backup camera, LED tail lights. This is 4-wheel drive. Silver ice metallic paint with the black leather interior. It's got the projector beam headlights up front with the LED daytime running lights. You can see the front parking sensors. Power adjustable driver seat. It's got the sunroof, dual DVDs, second row bench, so you got the DVD there. It has 4 headphones, 110 volt port, 12 volt port, heated seats, climate control access, auxiliary, 2 USBs, HDMI. You got all the stuff you need there. A little storage. There's your 3rd row. They get their own DVD system as well. You see a 12 volt port, 2 cup holders. That side's got 1 cup holder, some storage. Tires look like they have a lot of tread left on them. Power liftgate. It's on the remote button back here and one up front. This one has the power folding 3rd row as well as the power release. So I've already moved the 2nd row down, but I'm going to push this button. See that flop down? And the 3rd row is actually power. It'll drop down and come back up. It didn't go down all the way. It looks like the other seat might have been in the way, but either way. And it's got a huge storage compartment underneath. And of course your button for your lift gate. Driver door has the driver memory seat package. That will save your driver seat, side mirrors, pedals, steering column. Got your child locks, power windows, all that good stuff. Power folding side mirrors. It's got the Bose audio. So here's your power adjustable pedals, lane change alert, parking sensors, traction control. It does have automatic headlights, 4-wheel drive. Got a power adjustable steering column. Heated steering wheel. Lane change alert. Or I'm sorry, forward collision alert. Got your Bluetooth. 28,499 miles. Push button start. Got your backup camera, built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto. As far as safety features, you do have your forward collision alert with automatic braking, park assist, rear cross traffic alert, lane change alert, all that good stuff. And this one does have the safety alert seat, AM, FM, XM radio. You have a little cubby hole here. You can lock that compartment with the valet mode, 4-digit PIN, tri-zone automatic climate control system, heated and cooled front seats. 12 volt, 2 USBs. There's your 4 headphones. You got a 12 volt port there, 2 USBs auxiliary over there. Up top, you got your auto dimming rearview mirror with your OnStar. And you got a built-in garage door opener, power lift gate, LED map lights all the way to the back. And there's your key, has built-in remote start. Seats are folded down, but give you a ton of storage when you fold everything down. There you go.